guys, it's Felicia. Welcome back to my channel. So I am in my residence hall in like a study room area filming this. I am sorry the lighting is kind of bad, but at least we get the tutorial, right? So for today's tutorial, we're going to do Feel Special by TWICE. In this video, I'll be teaching you guys step by step on how to do this dance, and in the video in the description box below, it will be the music section where I do 75, 90, and full speed. If you guys want the music session, go ahead and click up there. Make sure you guys click the subscribe button if you guys haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up. It really does help me a lot. As per usual, don't forget that this video is mirrored, and let's get started. Okay, so for this tutorial, I'm going to do the chorus part, and I'm going to split into two. So the chorus is actually pretty short, but I thought it would be better to split into two sections. So let's get started with the first section. So first we're going to be saying, "You make me feel special," okay? So we're gonna have our left leg out, and then we're going to come cross with our hands, come cross, up, and then we're going to just kind of lean down as we put important detail. Right is in front of left, okay? So we come here, like so. Now, once you come feel special, we're going to step left, right, and basically we are now in parallel position. Now we're going to rotate, okay? So just come down as you bring it down, and we're gonna go halfway in a clockwise direction, okay? So come here and push out. Now, our left hand comes out here. After we come here, okay, push to the right. Now we're going to do it one more time to the left. And now I brought my hand for the right side. My right arm comes across my body, across on the lower part, okay? Lower half. Now we're going to step with our right foot in front, and then we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Okay, actually 4, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take your left hand, have a 5, kind of open them, come shake 2, 3, 4. Okay, at the same time, your hips are going to come 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice how I'm leveling down. It's not too big of a hip shake, but just come 1, 2, 3, 4. Alrighty, so from the top, feel special. Now step left, right, come across, right, across, left, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So then after this, we are going to lift our left leg. Okay, so we just did 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to, with our right arm, we're going to come do a counterclockwise circle. So come counter and out, extend your arm down. So we're gonna lift with our left leg, okay, right? But then the footwork, we're going to put it down and bring it back up. So again, we come up and up. So with the hand motion, we're gonna come across with our right circle. Now we're going to do it with the left, okay? So 2 arms this time. So come here, and the next part, see, we did clockwise actually. So clockwise, and then we bring our hand up. So again, come up and lift, and here. Again, with the arms, we come over here. Now 2 in here. Now focusing on the legs, we are going to lift up. Remember, left foot up first, down, up, now left, right, left, okay? So it's a left, up, and left, right, left. Now all together, come up and here, and up and here. Awesome. So after we come here, okay, we're gonna take our right arm across our face. Okay, so like this, and then we're going to hit up with both hands behind our head, come cross, now hit, okay? Now both of them are on my shoulders, and then we're crossing here. So come 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Again, let's start from here. We come here, come 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to point, okay, down below with our index fingers like this, and then we're going to rotate our hips from left to right in a counterclockwise direction. Okay, so come 1, 2. So once I come around 1, 2, 3, we're going to make a smile like so. So we cross our hands and then we do a smile. We're gonna go left, right, Okay, so left, right. So we come cross, smile, and then we're going to step with our left, kind of do a little round circle with our hands, okay, with a round circle down, and then we're going to put our right leg down, right leg here, and then we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. So what I'm doing is I'm pointing downwards, and then at the same time, I'm pumping, I guess, pushing my hips out to the right 3 times. Come 1, 2, 3. And then basically we walk to our next position and we'll go to part 2 of the course, okay? So again, let's start from here real quick and then we'll put it all together from the top, okay? So come here, up, cross, here, cross, now, circle and smile and step. 1, 2, 3. Coolios. Alrighty, now this is part 1 review. If you guys need more time to go back on the steps, feel free to do so. But if not, let's start from the top. Left leg out. So left leg out, we come cross up, feel special. Left, right. Now turn, hit, turn, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a hit, and up. Now up, cross, hit, cross, and spin. 2, 3, and smile. Now step. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Okay, so part 2 of the course, we're going to do feel special again. I can feel special. Okay, left leg out. Now we're going to step left, right. Immediately when we step left, right, we are going to put our arms down. Now after this, we're gonna go left. So I'm looking through in between my index and my middle finger, okay? So 1, 2, come 1, 2. So once we come left, right, we're going to step with our right foot and then we're gonna face to the left. We're going to just kind of slide our left hand up on our right arm, okay? So we come here. Now we bring our left foot up, okay? And then we're going to have our arms like so, step and turn. So again, shoulders nice and parallel, come out here and down. What I'm doing is right arm behind my back, left arm over. So come here and, so once I come 1, 2, we're going to bring our hands like a prayer hands, and then at the same time, we're going to just 1, 2 with our left leg. So come 1, 2. Do you see that? Again, we hit down and 1, 2. All right, 2 beats. Now the next part, we're going to bring our hands together, come front and behind our head, okay? And then while we step, we're gonna go step left, step right. Okay, from the top, again, feel special, come cross up, feel special, step left, right, come left, right, and slide up, now hit down, 1, 2. Coolios? We did 1, 2, oh yes, and then we also go ahead and did left, right in the back, left, right, step left, step right. Now, once we did the left, right, we're going to do a shimmy come 1 and 2. So it's left, right, left, and we're going to plant and have most of our weight on our left leg, okay? So again, we just did left, right, and 1 and 2, okay? So once we come left and right, we're going to come up again. Let's do the same motion. Bring your left leg in. Now step out with your right, same thing, come 1 and 2. Easy enough? Now once I did the 1, 2, we're going to point again. So make a point, and I'm ending with on my right hip, and then we're gonna have as we are listening, okay? Listen, and we're going to close and open. So we're closing and opening our ears. So again, we just did our last down, 1, 2. Again, we just finished this second one, right? Come 1, 2. Now from here, we did our point and open and close, open, close, open. That's what I meant to say. So we just came from our second one, right? Here, down, 1 and 2. Now point and open, close, open. Okay, so for me, I just did open, close, open, right? Now, we already have our right arm up, so we're going to come cross the body on this left side and cross again, but with the left hand on the right side. Okay, so we did open, close, open. Now we did come right, come left, and I'm going to roll my head to the back as I do the left, and then we're going to kind of jump, and we are going to take our hands, bring it down and up and, okay? Down and up and what I did was palms facing out, come down, okay? So down and push and when I come here from the fourth beat, we're going to close our hands into a fist, okay? So come down and up and now the next part is something you know, feel special. So again, we come feel, we're going to step with our left, come feel, so special. And when she says special, we're going to drag our left foot in like so. And I'm going to look to the right, like this, okay? So, I feel so special. Cool. Okay, so that is part 2 of the course. I will go through the entire part 2 of the course, and then we will do a full review of the course. If you guys need more time, feel free to go back on the part 2, but if not, let's move on. Part 2 review, again, we come feel special, step, step, now left, right, slide, now hit, here, 1 and 2, now left, behind and shimmy, now again, 2, 1 and 2, now point and open, close, open, now slide to the left, slide to the right, now jump, push, and feel so special. Okay, full review, here we are, we come cross and feel special, and turn, hit, turn, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and hit, and up, 2, 1, hit, come and spin, 2, 3, and smile, and step, 1, 2, 3, and walk, 2, 3, and feel special, step, step, now left, right, and slide, up, now hit, and 1, 2, now step left, right, and shimmy it again, 2, 3, 4, now point, and open, close, open, now come left, go right, and hit, feel so special. Thank you guys so much for learning this tutorial with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys are posting this on Instagram, make sure you tag me at Felicia.covers so I can give your video a like. Alrighty guys, that is it for this video. I will see you guys in the music section. Bye!